What if AI could see the hidden connections between your health, learning, and creativity? And what if AI could travel back in time to remember what it knew at every moment after we fit in our daily logs and practices information? This is LifeGraph, built with neo4j and memverge. And traditional habit trackers are siloed. Your fitness app doesn't really talk to your journal, and your sleep data doesn't connect to your productivity. But real life is interconnected. Your morning workout affects your afternoon focus, your sleep quality shapes your creativity output. So, LifeGraph uses Neo4j to model your life as a knowledge graph, and every log entry becomes a node. Every connection becomes a relationship. Now, as we slide through more days where we run through more analysis, for example, there's a second checkpoints that I'm having hit here. So you can see that the agent, the memverge actually comes in, and the checkpoint marker that we can show it here. The agent shows its full memory. So there are some zone 2 cardio sessions, correlations at, let's say, uh, the confidence point where they have run through the analysis and mood transfer patterns, recovery insights. This is everything that it has learned. And the co-lab exposure insights that shown here, there are certain protocols or protein recovery rings links that we had to practice in our day-to-day life. The agent discovered that these over 45 days of data. But what did the agent know 2 weeks ago? So let me slide back to day 15. And this is checkpoint 1. Now I click restore checkpoint, and here, and as you watch the insights panel, it's actually see the cold exposure protocol is gone. The protein recovery link is not there. The agent only shows what it knew at day 15. Simpler patterns, fewer correlations. So this is cognitive time travel. Memverge lets us restore the agent's memory to any checkpoint, and it forgets everything learned after that point. So let's go through a quick one with our architecture. It's pretty straightforward. I have a React and front end deployed on Vercel. Front end, a fast API backend on, you can either deploy on AWS EKS or GCP Cloud Run. And I have some of those data that's stored in Neo4j Aura for the graph database, and memverge memory machine for checkpoint storage. So when you scrub the timeline, the front end calls the back end, which queries the Neo4j for graph state and memverge for checkpoint data. And AI agent runs several queries to find the cross-street correlations and save checkpoints at strategic moments. So going back to the dashboard, imagine the connected. This is connected to your real life data, your Hoop, your Notion, your Apple Health. The AI agent doesn't just track the habits; it discovers the connections you'll never see. And with memverge, it remembers its journey, every insight, every pattern, every aha moment. And this is live graph. What we can experiment on our day-to-day life right now. Maybe I can go back to checkpoint, and I can run through some of the experiments and changes of life habits that I want to try and see what sticks with me, what works with me, and what's improved on my day-to-day habits. Thank you.